Hey guys, alright, listen up. Because most businesses are doing this completely wrong. If you've ever run Facebook ads and felt like you were just burning money with nothing to show for it, this is exactly why. So, today, I'm going to show you how to set up a powerful awareness campaign inside Meta ads that actually gets your brand in front of the right people. And not just random views that don't convert, right? This is very important. Now, here's the crazy part. This type of campaign is actually the foundation of everything, right? You cannot sell something to people if they don't even know you exist, right? All right, so let's dive in. Step 1. Let's get inside of the Meta Business Suite. Now, this is where all the magic happens, right? Just head over to business.facebook.com, log in, and boom, you're inside. Now, if you don't have a business manager set up yet, please pause this video right now and go create one. Trust me, you do not want to run ads from a personal account. It is very messy, it's risky, and Meta's AI won't take you seriously. Right? Now, step 2. Let's get into the Ads Manager section. Now, to get to the Ads Manager, click on Settings. And from here, hover mouse over here. And on the Ads Manager, click here, Campaigns. And it's going to take you to right here. This is where all the action takes place, right? Now, this is where it gets really interesting. We're going to create a brand new campaign, but not just any campaign, right? It's an awareness campaign. Why? Because this is how you get people familiar with your brand before asking them to buy something, right? It's like dating. You wouldn't ask someone to marry you on the first day, right? So you gotta warm them up at first. So click on Continue, and step 3. So what you're gonna do is simple stuff. Name your campaign. For the sake of this video, let's just say awareness campaign 15/4/25. So after you name your campaign, buying type should be auction, of course. And right now we're going to avoid this too. These are very complex stuff, so we do not want to touch this at first, right? So leave this as it is, and let's go to the ad set. All right, so in the ad set tab, of course, you need to name your ad set. For the sake of this video, I have named this awareness ad set and the date of today, which is 15th of April. Now, the performance goal, maximize reach of ads, exactly what we're doing. Shows your Facebook, Instagram page. And from here, how many times do you want to show your ad to people? So twice every 7 days is what we're gonna leave it at. And dynamic creative is what we're gonna turn off for now. And now, budget. All right. If you're just starting now, you don't need to spend a fortune, okay? $5 to $10 is enough to test the waters. But listen though, if you want real data faster, please go for $20 to $50 a day, especially if you're running this for a business. The more Meta learns about your audience, the smarter your ads actually get. So we're gonna leave it at $50. And now you can set a start date and an end date. So we're just gonna 30 days. We're just gonna set a date, and it's gonna be, for example, this is gonna be this. All right. After this, you can also go for budget scheduling. This is what I will avoid if I was starting out new. And after that, audience. All right, step 4. Now we're getting into the most important part, your audience. Because listen, even the best ad in the world is useless if you're showing it to the wrong people, right? So here's what you need to do. If you're running ads locally, right? If you're running local ads, choose a specific location. Don't waste money on people outside your target area. So for example, cleaning businesses, painting stuff. So those are what you normally provide within your area. But if you're a global brand, focus on interest-based targeting, right? So who's your ideal customer? What are they into? Right? So I will just go to the interest-based targeting, and what I recommend is using Advantage Plus Audience, because Meta's AI is crazy right now. It is crazy good. So after using that, what we're gonna do is come here and also press on this plus button, and here's what we tell Facebook. All right, so you're a professional, I get it, but I do want to suggest you some audiences that you need to know about. All right, this is where you want to click detailed targeting. Press on edit, and from here click on browse and interest-based targeting. This is what I was talking about. From here you want to click on entertainment. So this doesn't go with me. Shopping and fashion, exactly what I was searching for, because we are, for example, making ad for a clothing brand, right? So from here we can click on all of this, and we do not want to overcomplicate things for us, because we're gonna let the Meta AI decide a lot of things on its own as well, right? Because the AI is very good right now. Now we're gonna leave it at that, and that's exactly it. All right, after this, if you have some traffic, use lookalike audiences to reach more people. Now, where is that? What we need to do is actually go to here, exactly right here, lookalike audiences. We're gonna click on this, and we can create lookalike audiences, which is basically used to reach more people just like them. So this is a very good system, and I actually love using this, and I've used this at least 1,000,000 times for my clients, right? Now, step 5, creating the perfect ad creatives, right? So we're gonna go to add, and now let's talk creatives, right? Because this is where 90% of ads fail. Your ad should do one and only one thing, which is stop people from scrolling, right? If your creative is boring, people will just scroll past it faster than an excess message, right? So here's what works best. So short, punchy videos, 5 to 15 seconds. Think eye-catching visuals, fast edits, and bold text. Number 2, high contrast images, right? Bright colors, bigger text, and a clear message. And then minimal text on images. Meta doesn't like too much text on your creatives, by the way, right? So try to keep it simple. Also, one more thing, don't forget your headline. So use 5, because that's where it gets optimized. It's gonna show optimized here. Make it impossible to ignore something like did you know 90% of businesses fail? Hold on, I think we're having an issue here. 90% of businesses fail because no one knows they exist. So something like this. So that's the kind of hook that makes people pay attention, right? All right, now step 6, launching. And from here, we're going to click on publish. Now this is going to be launching our ad, right? So now, once everything looks good, please click on publish, and congrats, your ad is now live. But hold up, running an ad is just step 1. Here's the real question though, is your ad actually working? And that's where tracking and optimization comes in. This is the part that separates businesses that scale profitably from those that just waste money, right? Now, I could break this down, but honestly, this is a next level strategy and it deserves its own deep dive, right? So if you guys want me to cover that, let me know in the comments, or if you're just a business owner and you need someone to handle this the right way, just reach out to me. I do this all the time for my clients. So if this video helps you, hit the like button and subscribe, because I've got tons of game-changing strategies coming up, and not just simple meta ads, but also Google ads, social media marketing, and how to actually grow a business, right? Drop your question in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.